Pretty sure that this might be the last new trucks that we're getting. This one's brand new. Look at the brake chambers. Hasn't gone through any of the landfills. Shiny. Machine close up. Super clean. Look at the billboard. Hola, ni hao, konnichiwa. Brandon's favorite song that he learned from school. Mud flap and wheels, super clean. Freaking mean, freaking clean. No, I'm not getting this. I don't have the seniority. Oh no. Dang birds. Yellow arm. Check. Paint still on because it's brand new. Check. Chain might need lube. New truck smell. Check. Alright, I'm out of here.